Hey everyone, today let me show you how to use the Parrot AI. Let's get started. Parrot AI is a browser-based AI voice generator that lets you turn text into realistic speech or celebrity voice clips, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, and fun edits. First, go to parrotai.com and click Get Started. Sign up with your email and password, then log in to access the dashboard. And from the dashboard, choose a voice. This could be a celebrity, character, or custom voice. Use the search to find specific ones or browse the library. Here you can enter your text. Type or paste the text that you want the AI to speak. Keep it within the free text limit or upgrade for longer scripts. And after that, click Generate and wait for the AI to create your voice clip. Then download your audio or share it with your video projects. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.